साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।
गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेशा 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 गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया सिद्धिविधाता शिवतनया बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेशा 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 गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका साई अवतारा युगावतारा साई अवतारा युगावतारा साई अवतारा युगावतारा अवतारा युगावतारा दीन दयाला संकटहारा
दीन दयाला संकटहारा
दीन दयाला संकटहारा
दीन दयाला संकटहारा
साई अवतारा युगावतारा
अवतारा युगावतारा
साई ब्रह्मा साई विष्णु
साई ब्रह्मा साई विष्णु
साई महेश्वरा
साई महेश्वरा
साई महेश्वरा
साई महेश्वरा
साई अवतारा युगावतारा
अवतारा युगावतारा
सत्य साई प्रेम साई
सत्य साई प्रेम साई
सब धर्मों के बाबा साई
सब धर्मों के बाबा साई
साई परमेश्वरा
साई परमेश्वरा
साई परमेश्वरा
साई परमेश्वरा
साई अवतारा युगावतारा
अवतारा युगावतारा
साई ब्रह्मा साई विष्णु
साई ब्रह्मा साई विष्णु
साई महेश्वरा
साई महेश्वरा
साई अवतारा युगावतारा
अवतारा युगावतारा
सत्य साई प्रेम साई
सत्य साई प्रेम साई
सब धर्मों के बाबा साई
सब धर्मों के बाबा साई
साई परमेश्वरा सुन्दरपादं सायिपादम्
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादम्
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादम्
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
पङ्कजचरणं पापविमोचनं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
नटराजनटनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
श्रीकृष्णनर्तनं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
भवदुःखहरणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
जगदोद्धारणं सायिपादं
सुन्दरपादं सायिपादम्
प्रेममयी सायिमा ज्ञानमयी सायिमा
प्रेममयी सायिमा ज्ञानमयी
సాయి మా జ్ఞానమయీ సాయి మా
ప్రేమమయీ సాయి మా జ్ఞానమయీ సాయి మా
జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా
జయ మా జయ మా
జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా
జయ మా జయ మా
శివ శక్తి రూపిణి సాయి మా మోక్ష ప్రదాయిని మా
శక్తి రూపిణి సాయి మా మోక్ష ప్రదాయిని మా
శివ శక్తి రూపిణి సాయి మా మోక్ష ప్రదాయిని మా
శక్తి రూపిణి సాయి మా మోక్ష ప్రదాయిని మా
జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా ప్రేమమయీ సాయి మా జ్ఞానమయీ సాయి మా జయ మా జయ మా జయ మా శివ శక్తి రూపిణి సాయి మా మోక్ష ప్రదాయిని మా జయ 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 మా ప్రేమమయీ సాయి మా జ్ఞానమయీ సాయి మా
गोविन्द माधव गोपाल केशवा
గోవింద మాధవ గోపాల కేశవ
गोविन्द माधव गोपाल केशवा
గోవింద మాధవ గోపాల కేశవ
गोपाल केशवा
माधवा गोपाल केशवा
गोविन्द माधवा गोपाल केशवा
माधवा गोपाल केशवा
गोविन्द माधवा गोपाल केशवा
गोविन्द माधवा गोपाल केशवा
कृष्ण कृष्ण राधा कृष्ण
कृष्ण राधा कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण राधा कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण राधा कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण गोपाला
कृष्ण गोपाला
कृष्ण कृष्ण गोपाला
कृष्ण गोपाला
गोकुल बाला गोपीरमणा
बाला गोपी रमणा
गोकुल बाला गोपीरमणा
बाला गोपी रमणा
मनमोहना मधुसूदना जय माधवा जय केशवा
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 गोविन्द माधवा गोपाल 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 केशवा
कृष्ण कृष्ण राधा कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण राधा कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण गोपाला
कृष्ण गोपाला
गोकुल बाला गोपीरमणा
बाला गोपी रमणा
मनमोहना मधुसूदना जय माधवा जय केशवा
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 गोविन्द माधवा गोपाल केशवा
भव सागर से पार उतारो
सागर से पार उतारो
भव सागर से पार उतारो
सागर से पार उतारो
साईनाथ भगवान
साईनाथ भगवान
साईनाथ भगवान
साईनाथ भगवान
भव सागर से पार उतारो भगवान
साईनाथ भगवान
भव सागर से पार उतारो
सागर से पार उतारो
साईनाथ भगवान
साईनाथ भगवान
भव सागर से पार उतारो
सागर से पार उतारो
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध महावीर
यीशु बुद्ध महावीर
सब नामों की एक है महिमा
सब नामों की एक है महिमा
सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे
सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे
साईनाथ भगवान
साईनाथ भगवान
साईनाथ भगवान
साईनाथ भगवान
भव सागर से पार उतारो
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
नर्तन सुन्दर नटन मनोहर
नटन सुन्दर नटन मनोहर
नर्तन सुन्दर नटन मनोहर
नटन सुन्दर नटन मनोहर
नाट्य प्रिय कर नटनेश्वरा
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 साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
गंगाधरा हर गौरी शिवा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
साम्ब सदा शिव साईश्वरा
नर्तन सुन्दर नटन मनोहर
नटन सुन्दर
सदा शिव साईश्वरा
सत्य साई रामा हे घनश्यामा
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 प्रेम सुधा बरसो शांति सुधा बरसो
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 सत्य साई रामा हे घनश्यामा
सत्य साई रामा हे घनश्यामा
कलियुग में तुम युगावतारी
कलियुग में तुम युगावतारी
कलियुग में तुम युगावतारी
कलियुग में तुम युगावतारी
सत्य साई रामा हे घनश्यामा
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 प्रेम सुधा बरसो शांति सुधा बरसो
प्रेम सुधा बरसो शांति सुधा बरसो
सत्य साई रामा हे घनश्यामा
सत्य साई रामा हे घनश्यामा
कलियुग में तुम युगावतारी
कलियुग में तुम युगावतारी
सत्य साई रामा हे घनश्यामा
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 हे दीन दयालु साई रामा
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 परम कृपालु साई रामा
परम कृपालु साई रामा
परम कृपालु साई रामा
परम कृपालु साई रामा
साई राम 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 राम
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 हे पतित पावन साई रामा
हे पतित पावन साई रामा
हे पतित पावन परम कृपालु साई रामा राम
परम कृपालु साई रामा राम
साई राम 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 राम
हे पतित पावन साई रामा राम
हे पतित पावन साई रामा राम
भक्त वत्सल साई रामा राम
भक्त वत्सल साई रामा राम
साई राम 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 राम
हे दीन दयालु साई रामा राम ॐ नमः शिवाय नमो नारायण
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 नमः शिवाय नमो नारायण
ॐ नमः शिवाय नमो नारायण
नमः शिवाय नमो नारायण
ॐ 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 नमः शिवाय नमो नारायण
नमः शिवाय नमो नारायण
ॐ 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 नमः शिवाय नमो नारायण
सुब्रह्मण्यं सुब्रह्मण्यं शम्भुनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यं 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 शम्भुनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यं 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 शम्भुनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यं 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 शम्भुनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यं शिव 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 सुब्रह्मण्यं हर 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 सुब्रह्मण्यं ओम शिव 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 सुब्रह्मण्यं हर 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 सुब्रह्मण्यं जय सुब्रह्मण्यं सुब्रह्मण्यं शम्भुनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यं 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 शम्भुनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यं Subramanyam 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 Om Subramanyam 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 Jai Subramanyam 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 Om Subramanyam 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 Jai Subramanyam 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 Subramanyam
Love is God. Live in love. Live in love. Live in love.
Om Sri Sai Ram. Welcome to the episode of OMS. I am narrating you an incident which happened during the 50th year celebration of Sri Satya Sai Organization, Nepal. Actually, we all had gathered here in Prasanthi Nilayam for the celebration of Golden Jubilee celebration. We had different activities performed here, service activities, cultural activities, spiritual activities. Everything was very nicely done. On one of the days, Sri Ratnakar Sir had lit the lamp, Akhanda Jyoti, and which we were supposed to carry to Nepal and light it all over Nepal in every center, every worshipping place there. But the question was how to carry that Jyoti, the burning light, how to carry that. Then we decided to take it by car, and one of my brother and myself, two of us, we took the Jyoti. We had made 3 copies of that, and we had put Chitravati sand. Over the sand we had put the Deepam, and we carried that 3 set of the Jyoti. We carried along with us in a car to Nepal. Chakravarti Sir had advised me not to travel continuously, take some rest in different places and go. But then my drivers, 2 of them were there, they suggested me that we too are there and back seat is vacant, we could take rest there. So we'll drive continuously. Even if we take hotel and stay overnight, you'll not be able to take rest because you need to take care of the lamp, because add oil and that, that week we need to take care of that also. So it's better we travel continuously. So I said, okay. So it took us 42 hours to reach the Nepalese border via Varanasi. We reached the border town of Raxaul and then entered Nepal. And in that town we have a center there. So we just lit the lamp there as well. Then I transferred all the 3 sets of light in my vehicle. My car was standing there, and I started driving the car. And on the way, we just kept on lighting the lamp in the centers that fell on our way. And we were traveling. And when we reached a place called Chowghara, I felt asleep. I slept. In fact, I happened to sleep. I didn't sleep intentionally. I happened to sleep. And suddenly there was a big sound. I suddenly opened my eyes, and I had already hit a pole on the roadside. There were some, like decorative, this flower pots put on the concrete pots put on the road. I had hit some of them as well. And the first sight I saw was there was an old man. I still remember, with a white kurta and white beard, white hair, but typical, like village person. I could just see him, and my brother, who was sitting on the front seat side by me, he also saw the same old man. And suddenly all these things happened within a fraction of seconds. Like when I saw that old man, now I felt that I should save him. My car was speeding. I was hitting all these poles and the flower pots, everything, and I was just heading. And it took to my mind that I must save this person. So I somehow, controlled the vehicle and got it on the road, back to the road. And suddenly I see all the village people, they surrounded the vehicle, and they were trying to, open my door. They thought we were dead there, because seeing the condition of the car from outside, everyone could feel that there's no scope of our survival actually. So I told them, no, I'm alive. So I just opened the door. I came out, and when I saw my car, it was shocking. Nothing had left of that car. Then suddenly I asked my brother, please go and see the Jyoti. What has happened there? He just went. We had put the Jyoti in our back seat. So he just opened and saw. And we were very sad to see that all our luggage and whatever we had took the things back from Puttaparthi, like the sacks of Rudraksha and everything, everything had fallen over those Jyoti. And there was no scope of finding any light there. But still, I insisted my brother to just remove everything and see. He did that. And, it was also my Sai moment for me. And to our utter surprise, we found that everything is broken. The vessel which carries the oil, that has all spilled over the sand. Light is there in the sand, but the light is still on. It didn't go off. That was Swami's grace. And I was very happy. I was very happy, not because nothing happened to me, not even a scratch, but I was happy for the light was still on, and we transferred it to another vehicle, completed all the formalities there, and we went to Kathmandu with all those 3 Jyoti, and we successfully installed that Akhanda Dweep in our office, Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization Nepal office, which is located in Naxal, Kathmandu. It is still burning there. It is still going on, and it has become a center of attraction, center of reverence for all the devotees of Nepal. That's how Swami, entered into Nepal in the form of light, I should say, for the people of Nepal, for the devotees of Nepal. And just to add one more, way back in 1991 in Prasanthi Nilayam, when I was sitting in the veranda in the morning time, there's a group of scientists. They had come there, and no one was there in the veranda. Swami came out. Swami went straight to those scientists, and he was talking to them, and Swami was mentioning about Nepal. Suddenly he started talking about Nepal, and Swami told, Nepal is the only country where every household they light a lamp for me. Every house in Nepal, they light a lamp for me, both morning and evening. And I could remember that, because people were lighting the lamp for Swami Deepam, morning and evening in reverence. And now here, of loving Swami, how he, saved that Deepam, and he himself, I still feel that it's not Deepam, it is Swami himself who has installed himself, in our office in Kathmandu. In fact, the first question I put to the villagers in that place was like, did you see a person with white dress and a white beard, and did you see this person? Is he from this village? Is he alive? That was my question, because I was afraid that in that panic I might have hit him and killed him. He might have been fallen somewhere, and he would be in pain, or so that sort of feeling was creeping in my mind. And I asked the villagers, and they told me that there is no one like that in that village. No person of that nature was in that village. And if I would not have seen that old person, I can't imagine the situation, I would have straight away, my vehicle would have entered the house side by, and in that house, a newborn baby was put in a cradle, and 3 to 4 old people were, like old ladies. They were just gossiping in their courtyard. I would have hit all of them and finished so many lives, and rest all what would have happened. But I am very much grateful to Swami that how he came in the form of the old man, and at least he alerted me so that I could just bring back the car on the road, so that he could save so many lives there, and he could save me and my brother. So this is our Swami. He is everywhere, is omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. He is everywhere. He knows everything. He does everything for us. As Swami used to lovingly tell us in Trai Vrindavan, Trai sessions, I am above you, side by you, below you, left, right, everywhere I am you. I am always with you, don't worry. So that gives us the strength. And Swami has time and again proved that he is with me. He is witnessing all the activities that I am carrying on, whether it is organizational activities or whether it is my, official, my mundane activities, whatever. Everywhere he is guiding me, and, he is helping me. That's what is my strong belief. That's what is my conviction. And I always pray to Swami that he guides us throughout and takes us to the destination. That destination, final destination, is Bhagwan himself. Sai.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त रक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।